Hey friends, and welcome back to the channel where it's finally nice and warm. It's 74. It's 74 and obviously your girl is like, summer! Anyways, hi, welcome. My name's Rhonda. First time back to filming in a hot minute. I don't know if y'all follow me over on Instagram, but if you do, then you would have seen that Haley and I were down in like Miami, Fort Lauderdale area. Big things coming. June 8th. June 8th. You liking my lips? You liking my highlights? You liking my eyes? Ooh, June 8th, baby. June 8th. Stick around, subscribe. Anyways, hi. Welcome. I'm getting so excited my eyes start switching. I'm so nervous, but yet so excited to show you all what I've been working on. So anyways, anyways, hi, welcome to the channel. First word, hot mess. Okay, just leave it at that. Anyways, welcome to the channel, and shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to, and I appreciate each and every single one of y'all so much. Thank you to my thank you crew as well for what I'm calling kind of like tipping the channel. Please don't ever feel like you have to do that, but for those of you who do, and I think I was good. I'm so behind on comments, just FYI. I apologize. I am so sorry, but I am behind 100% on comments since we were gone, and excuses is excuses. I know my dad would be on me about that, but anyways, so thank you to those of you that I did catch for the thanks. I definitely appreciate it more than you all know, and again, please never feel like you have to ever do that, but know that I see you, I think, and I appreciate you all. So anyways, we are unboxing the Eyescream beauty box. I've got a lot of things I came home to unbox. FYI, there are still pre-recording videos going up and out and everything. So to my YouTube members, to my thanks crew, you may not see yourself in some of the videos, but then some you might, and it might be confusing, but Mama was busting booty, so we had content going up. So I apologize, but just know I will have you in there. So anyways, this is a monthly subscription box. They did send it over in PR, so thank you to Eyescream Beauty Box for sending this your girl's way. I definitely appreciate it. We have found some really amazing indie brands in this box. So this is a monthly subscription. It's $25 a month. Code HOTMESS will save you 10%. It's not an affiliate code or anything like that. I was gonna say, I think it brings it to 22, 21, I don't know, fast math? Not my journey, okay? Not my journey. One thing I do know is with every box, you are gonna receive a palette. And I told you, Eyescream Beauty Box did become one of my favorite subscriptions for the simple reason is when a lot of subscriptions were branching out and doing a ton of skincare, Eyescream Beauty Box was giving us a ton of makeup and makeup tools, which I appreciate. You might see skincare, but for the most part, we always receive an eye palette. Sometimes we get an eyeshadow palette and a face palette, and I know somebody's in the comment section going, shut your pie hole and show us the box, okay? You don't have to be so freaking rude. We do get a little card in here, and I do like that they've changed it up. Before it was just a tiny card, and it just was very tiny as to telling us what's in here. So this is May Cyber Garden, tells us the items that are in here, retail value, a little snippet about each item, and everything's packaged very nicely with the little peanuts. Now, if you follow them over on Instagram, you will be able to get sneak peeks as well. They do offer a monthly, oh my gosh, that is cool looking. They, sorry guys, ADHD. They do offer a monthly bag. I think it's around $13. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited about something I see in here. I don't know much on that. I only know about this. So I don't know what this is, but this is freaking neat looking. Look at it, it's a rose. So it says, this is a 3D rose blusher by, I don't know how to say this. Looks like it's an indie brand, and it does have a $30 retail value. This blush has been all over TikTok. You can use your finger or a flat brush to pick up the product and apply to your face. If you want a very light blush of color, you can use a fluffy brush. It's not been on my TikTok, so this has me very excited. Oh, it literally, because you know me, I have to smell it. Hold on, do you guys see this? Do you see that? It literally looks like a plastic flower. Sure enough, no flipping way. It's really light, so I would say you could definitely have to build it up. Do you guys see the little swatch? How flipping cute. I love little things like that. Do you remember, was it Lancome or something came out with like a highlighter for an ungodly amount of money? Like ungodly amount of money. Very pretty, not very blinding, but very pretty, looked bougie as sin. I don't want, was it like $100 or something crazy? It literally was similar to this. This is cool. This is gonna be fun for us to do a little try on with. Kind of reminds me of like my little roses back here. This is cute. And that color, that is like so like sun-kissed color. Perfect for the summertime. All right, next in here we have the Beauty for Certain, and this is in Cababa Rojo. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? It's like, is it a lippy? Oh yeah, I can get down with that. It's just like a little lip gloss type of thing. It's in clear. It might be like tinted just a tiny bit, obviously. You can see in there. Maybe not because of my camera. There you go. I like this scent. I sniff everything. I don't know why, but okay, so little information of this. Beauty for Certain, this brand's created by rap artist B.I.A., best known for her song Whole Lotta Money. For her album, let's see, it's a lip gloss. It's non-sticky, long-lasting, lightly plumping, and it gives your lips extra shine with a smooth finish. Can build up to your desired intensity. Huh, it definitely feels nice and hydrating. Oh wow, I thought for sure my hair was gonna stick to that. It did not pull at all. That's a good gloss. That's good. That's nice. I like that. Okay, next in here we've got Shantico Beauty. Oh, it's a duochrome liquid shadow. This does have a $19 retail value. Ooh, okay, I don't really have many, I feel like, in this particular light color. So let's go ahead and swatch. Oh yeah, I love that. Okay, so it's like pink, purpley. You see that? It's really, I don't know if my camera picks up the shift, but it is really pretty. And it dries down pretty, not too crazy fast. So you're gonna be able to like maneuver this around. I like that. I almost feel like if you're into like a halo, is that what it's called? A halo? Holla? Whatever, right through here. That's what I'm thinking. Highlighter, look at that. Ooh. All right, next in here, I'm so excited for this. So this is Gerard Cosmetics lip liners, which you all know is, and I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna say it because I mean it. My favoriteest lip liners. They are a gel-based type of, oh, it's in Bel Air, by the way. They're a gel-based liner. Oh, thank you for putting in a neutral nudie kind of liner. You are gonna get so much use out of this, okay? So even if you're using red, this color, perfection. Even if you're using a brown, guess what? Perfection. If you wanna overline, you can do that because these liners are magnificent. You will love them. I swear by them. I have Ecstasy on today for my lip liner, and then I got my other thingies on there that are coming June 8th. But when it comes to the liners, they do not feather, they do not bleed, they are wonderful. I overline, and you know, sometimes like I overline and then I kind of color it in. Sometimes some liners are like a little too drying on your lips and give you that like crusty dusty lip. No, I don't know the science and magic behind Gerard Cosmetics lip liners, but y'all, heck freaking yeah, these are amazing. This is a $16 retail value, and actually I do have a coupon code for Gerard Cosmetics that works on some of the products on the website. It's just Hot Mess. Saves you like 30%. So once you fall in love with this from your Eyescream beauty box, head on over there, save yourself some coin, and use code Hot Mess to pick up some backup because they do run sales. 9 times out of 10, the sales are better than the coupon code anyways, but pick it up. I highly, highly suggest picking them up. This color was chosen by the owner of Gerard Cosmetics. Way to go, Jen. Jen herself did pick this out, and we're so glad she picked it. It's the perfect for any look. Yeah, you see? See? It says it right here, and I didn't even have to read it first to tell you all that. So yeah, you're gonna love this, 100%. The formula, the color, perfection. Last in here is the palette. Oh, this is by Gourmet Girls. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I found out about this brand because I'm like 99% sure it was because of Eyescream Beauty Box. I have found so many different indie brands because of this subscription box. It is amazing. So this is the Power Palette by Gourmet Girls times Cosmic Peaches. It's an Eyescream exclusive, $33 retail value. So that's what it comes with, like a little sleeve. It's in your standard type of cardboard packaging. And then, ooh, so sorry. This I can get down with. Look at this. And you guys, the formula is amazing with this brand. Look at that. Look at that. I love this greeny color. It's like a seafoam matte green. Like, okay, I guess we're gonna start with the arm. But you will be in love with this formula. Hold on, I got wipes back here, so guess what? Swatch party! I do believe I have a coupon code with Gourmet Girls too. I wanna say it's Hotmess. They're good little indie brand. I love this rose. Survivor, Sci-Fi, ooh. Oh dang, look at that. Oh yes. That's a shifty duo. Well, I guess so is that. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. Okay, hold on, we got 3 more. I am so excited. I mean, look at that color. There's something about like those yummy earthy greens. I just fall in love with them. And then put that little seafoam green. Oh, I mean, look at that. Look at those mattes. I'm not like the best swatcher. I do my best, but look at that. Isn't that so pretty? So you're gonna get 1 of 2 of the Gourmet Girls palettes and you're gonna love them. I guarantee you. Because the first time I'd ever tried one of their palettes out, it was because of Eyescream Beauty Box. And then they had sent more, and I love their formula. It is such a good formula. That is a really cute 9-pan palette. I think the colors are going to really speak to a lot of people because it's definitely more on the neutral side, but definitely you could glam it up a heck a lot. Story, I am curious to see what the virtual palette looked like. So anyways, that is everything in this month's Eyescream Beauty Box. And I told you guys a few months back that I really felt like when they sit down and start curating their boxes, it doesn't look like an afterthought. It doesn't look like, hey, I got a heck of a good deal on a lip gloss, lip liner, whatever, and it's some random color that nobody's gonna really use, you know? I feel like when it comes to Eyescream Beauty Box now, even though Ginger Art picked this color herself, I think it was like they really ran with everything. Like, okay, I feel like, and I don't know how this works, but I feel like they found the palettes, and then like with this, you can literally color in your entire lip, which I've done before, and then just top it with this gloss. And then how pretty would it be to take like this shade right here and just lightly dab it in the center? That would be honestly so pretty. Or you could even take that Duo Shift and stick that, you know, you could, I really like the way that they're curating their boxes, you know? And don't be scared of this red because it's definitely like a really pretty sun-kissed type of shade. So good job, Eyescream Beauty Box. And I'm not just saying that to blow, you know, to like because it was sent to me. You guys know if I don't like it, I'm gonna say not a fan of this color, you know, kind of thing. So no, I think that Eyescream Beauty Box has been really hitting it, nailing it, and doing really well when they're curating their boxes. So good job. I don't know if you guys are gonna watch this, but if you do, good job, Eyescream Beauty Box. So if you do want to go ahead and pick this up, I don't know if it is still available, but if it is, I'll have a link down below. Of course, you can use my coupon code, and again, it's not an affiliate code, but it does let them know that I did send you their way. So thank you guys bunches if you do decide to use it, and thank you again to Eyescream Beauty Box for sending this my way. I get so excited when it's like like literally everything in here I can play around with and use. I just get so excited over that. So anyways, friends, I will have it all linked down below. I am going to film my Ipsy Boxy and some other things that came in the mail. I hope you guys are having a fabulous, wonderful day. Thank you again to my YouTube members for everything, and of course to my thank you crew. Check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs for Curvy Girl fashion hauls over there, and of course Hotmess in the Kitchen, where I really haven't been in the kitchen. I'm thinking about renaming the channel. I don't know if that's possible, but I think I'm gonna have to do that. Anyways, until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.